Bonjour les amis, ça va? Bien, alors aujourd'hui nous allons travailler sur nous. Nous, encore, nous. So we're going to work on nous. One more time. Nous. Nous. Nous means we. Like in we work. Nous. And nous is the première personne du pluriel. Première personne du pluriel. First person in the plural form, right? So, what is nous? What are the many forms that nous can take? Well, nous can be masculine. Nous can be masculine or mixed. So if I tell you, for example, nous sommes contents, nous sommes contents, nous sommes contents. This nous here is made up of either only men or made up of men and girls. In that case, the nous here is mixed or solely masculine. Nous sommes contents. Nous sommes heureuses. Nous sommes heureuses. In this case, nous is solely feminine. A group of ladies saying we are happy. Nous sommes heureuses. Solely feminine. Now, other ways of expressing nous. Nous could be toi et moi. You and I. Or you and me. You and me. Toi et moi. Oui. Toi et moi. Nous can also be elle et moi. Elle et moi. Or lui et moi. Elle et moi. Her and me. Or she and I. Or lui et moi. Him and me. Or me and him. Or he and I. So this can also be the equivalent of nous. Numéro 5, nous can be eux et moi. Eux, them. Them. Them, eux et moi. Them and me. Or they and I. Or elles et moi. Elles et moi. Them, only girls. Eux, only men. Or sometimes men and girls. Mixed. Elles et moi, solely feminine et moi. Them and me. Equals also nous. And number 6, we have toi, moi, toi, lui et moi. Toi, you, lui, him, et moi, and I, make we, make nous. So you have various ways of expressing nous. So it's a quite, it can be sometimes tricky to come up with a nous when you face these different forms. But just try to play with this to understand the concept of nous. Basically, you will use nous whenever I, the subject I, je, is part of a group. So, and this I, this je, is speaking on behalf of the group. So, in this case here, elle et moi, it's she and I, her and me, and I say nous. Donc, elle et moi, nous aimons la musique. Elle et moi aimons la musique. Elle et moi, and I will continue here, aimons la musique. So what I'm saying is, she and I like music. And I is the je here, je, I, moi, is the person speaking on behalf of nous, of the collective we. So, elle et moi aimons la musique. Lui et moi, him and me, or he and I, aimons danser le tango, love to dance tango, etc. So, basically, nous is simply a group, a collectivity where je is part of. Je or moi. Je or moi. I talked about the use of moi in a sentence instead of je. Make sure to check the video on the subject pronoun je to understand what I'm talking about. But toi et moi, elle et moi, lui et moi, etc. will make nous, will give nous. What else can we say about nous? Yeah, there are some other things that I will discuss in a different video about nous. For now, this is what you need to know. Basically, that nous means we and all the rest here. D'accord? If you have any questions, make sure to contact me and I will be happy to assist you. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt.